In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to refund games on Steam. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Steam application and log into your Steam account. Now, what you're going to do here is just simply go to your profile, tap this one, and then go to your account details. And then under account details, you have to click this view purchase history, tap this one. And then under view purchase history, you will see here the items that you have purchased. Now, what you're going to do to simply refund your games on Steam, you just have to locate that specific game that you want to ask for a refund. For example, this one. And then you will see options like help me fix gameplay or technical issues, or I'd like to request a refund. So you have to click this, I'd like to request a refund. So above here, you will see the game that you want to ask for a refund. Now after that, you're about to enter some information. So so after you selected the issue, for example, I purchased this by accident, you can now go here and request a refund. So you can submit your request, and they will respond as soon as possible. Okay, so you have the choice if you want to refund that to your Steam wallet, you can choose that one. And then below here, you can tell them the reason why you need to refund this product. So here you can say I purchased this by accident, something like that. And this game is boring or something like that. I want to change this one. So all you have to do is to simply type it here and then click submit a request and wait for the customer service team to respond to your request. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.